Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is a Happy Mail video. Oh my gosh, I got some beautiful Happy Mail in the mail. So let me show that to you guys. This, it came in this package right here. And it is full of some beautiful little goodies here. This is from MJ, so thank you, MJ. I appreciate it. She gave me this beautiful little card right here. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. I just love it. It has like an embossed look, and it's got some little gold, I don't know, filaments in there. It's beautiful. Thank you, MJ. Just the card alone is pretty awesome. And I really, really appreciate what you wrote on the inside. That was so sweet. Let's see what kind of stuff that I got. Oh, she used to get Simply Crochet magazine for a while. And so a lot of these things are from that magazine. And I'm so glad they're coming to me. So thank you so much. This is a double-ended crochet hook. Look at this. Isn't that cool? I love it. It says perfect for crochet on the go. I would definitely say so. So it's 2.5 millimeter on one side and a 4.5 millimeter on the other side. Pretty cool, MJ. Thank you for that. Okay, here's another cool one. Festive crochet hook. Oh, it's so cute. It's a 3.5 millimeter polymer clay hook in festive colors. Look at that. That is cool. Thank you so much. I'm going to enjoy that. I love this one. 3 fruity stitch markers plus a 4 millimeter hook. Look, isn't that adorable? I just love it. I really like that the shaft right here is pink. I like that. Thank you so much for that. Now this is interesting. Rainbow crochet hook set, 5 hooks. It says add color to your makes. Bamboo hooks in 5 must-have sizes. So it's a 3 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter, a 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. And here they are, guys. Look at that. Rainbow crochet hooks. I love it. So thank you so much, MJ. And the crochet pattern book that she sent is the Simply Crochet Amigurumi, the cutest crochet toys to hook, the nativity set. Isn't that cool? I love it. Thank you so much. Look at that. I have a nativity set that I did make one time, but it was online. I think the pattern I had gotten was online. It wasn't in a book like this. But there's the whole set. So this is really cool. Thank you so much for this, MJ. I'm going to have a wonderful time with this. I may work on this throughout the year. All right, well, all right, guys, that's all that I have. I just wanted to share this beautiful Happy Mail that I received from MJ. Thank you so much. I was so excited when I received this, and I practically just tore into it. So I just want to say thank you so much for brightening my day and putting a smile on my face. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.